guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Karen and the name of my channel is PRgrl for Puerto Rican girl. I hope that everyone is doing well and safe. In today's video, I have for you a Trollbeads haul. This is something that I purchased from the new Walk the Journey collection. I love everything on this collection, you guys. It was so hard to pick what I got. I still have lots more on my wish list. I already did an unboxing of this item because I wanted to also film some footage for Instagram. So I was inserting here the clip that I have with my unboxing. So as you already saw from that footage, I got a really nice handwritten note, including a sticker, beautiful stickers with a few mushrooms. I also got this baggie. In here we have such a lovely surprise. It is a mushroom and look at it, so cute. I love this detail that they sent me a cute little mushroom that I of course can use for some pictures. Love that. So yeah, they place it on this Trollbeads pouch. Let me put it right here. I'm also very excited because I'm using a brand new camera, you guys. I'm so excited about this because ever since I started Instagram and YouTube back in March 2019, I have always thought about getting a camera instead of using my phone. So yeah, 5 years after, I have a camera. If you want to know more about it, let me know in the comment section down below. I will be happy to tell you more about that journey. But we are here today to have this unboxing. So here is what I got. And then they also sent me some candy. And then this like paper in colors, beautiful colors as well. As you can see, I already ate one. They're really yummy. These are caramel and inside they have apple flavor. So I love that. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this box. Look at this, you guys. Are you ready? I got my first Trollbeads kit. And look at this. I hope that the camera is picking this as beautiful as it is. It is, to me, mesmerizing. As soon as I saw some sneak peeks of these items, I knew I wanted to get a few, but at the end, I decided to get the entire kit. I already have, I think, only one Trollbeads kit completed, but I didn't got that once. I ended up, purchasing things here and there, and that is also a fall kit. It is the Forest Life kit, which is a faceted kit, very beautiful. I think it will go amazing with this one. It was so hard for me to choose between the two kits because I love them both. This one, as you can see, it has the mushrooms. Oh my goodness, these are so cute. So let me take it out of here. I absolutely love the way they arrange them. By the way, I forgot to mention that I got these beauties from the Trollbeads South Hills Village store. The ladies were so nice, sending me videos and pictures of all the mushrooms they had available. And I will start first with the bead that I thought was gonna be a must for me for sure, my first pick, and it is the mushroom of poise. Look at this beauty. This is a rainbowy type of bead. I missed the tulips bead that a lot of people got recently. I'm so glad that that's what it's gonna be part of the people's unique because it's so beautiful. This one again is so nice. We see 3 mushrooms, 2 lower and 1 taller mushroom. The color in the mushroom goes from green, blue, pink, and yellow, although I have ones that have a hint of orange like this one on top, and that's why I selected this particular one. I love that shade of orange in that one. The color on this one is like a turquoise tone. I have think that other people have mentioned that it compares to a previous one that Trollbeads had in the past, but unfortunately I don't have that one. It is so beautiful. I also love that the mushrooms are on top of the bead. Look at the details there. This is such a gorgeous one, and I feel it will go with many other beads on our collection. My second pick from this kit was going to be Mushrooms of Vitality. And you guys know my favorite color is pink, so yes, that's why I chose this one as my second pick. The one that I got is really nice because we see that it has in the core sort of like green detail, like maybe like a flower detail. And amongst the ones that was shown, this one was the one that had it more prominent, the green, so I love that. These mushrooms has the cap with the pink tone, and then underneath we see a little bit of brown in the center and then also white. I love the contrast of it, and again they are on top of the glass, and to me they're magical, has a lot of depth. I love that. This one, I don't know why I think of Alice in Wonderland when I see it. The other one I think of about many magical lands, but this one is absolutely lovely. I was gonna leave it right there, but then of course I decided that I want to take a look at another one, and then that's how it turned into 3, and it's this beauty. This is called Mushrooms of Flexibility, and I was told that this is sort of like a periwinkle blue, the one that is on the cap of the mushroom. I love the details of the lines right there. It is so nice. I have heard from some friends like Sue, hi Sue, you're watching, that there were also some uniques they did recently that have a similar one. So I'm glad they did this one as well. The core of this one is darker. I don't see the green inside as the previous one, as the Mushrooms of Vitality. But then we see also that it has the center with a little bit of a camel tone and then white. It is so nice. I love the dimension of this cute mushroom, and they bring a lot of details again to the bead. It's just amazing. And then we see a little bit there from the inscription, the LAA. So nice. I was gonna leave it right there, and then that's when it came to my mind. I was already gonna get 3 of these mushrooms, the 3 that I just showed you, and then also one of the faceted bead, which I'm gonna insert right here, the picture that South Hills Village sent to me. And I was like, oh my goodness, I was there seeing so many pictures online and then also on Instagram of other collectors having the beads. I just decided that I have to get the kit. I think my next favorite is this one that I'm gonna show you now, which is called Mushrooms of Magic. Let's see if it's, yes, right there. This one is so interesting. I love the way they did like the stem, is that called? It is brownish tone, but also a little bit of, like it's like light brown camel or dark camel. It is very interesting to my eyes, and also the shape, it is really nice. The mushrooms caps on this one has sort of like a polka dot effect with black and white, and then we see underneath the white. They seem like they're alive. That's how I can describe them. The movement they have. Look at this. This one has the mushroom to the left, the other mushroom to the right, one to the left, one to the right. I absolutely love that effect. And then we see the core is white with the same green detail that we had on the Mushrooms of Vitality, which is really nice as a collection. Here is the side view of it. We have 4 mushrooms here on top of the glass. Absolutely stunning. The next one that I'm gonna show you, it's called, hold on, I have some cheat sheet next to me. This one is called Mushrooms of Sunshine. There you go. Such a beautiful one. Again, the core is black, as you can tell right there, and we see sort of like a similar shape of the stem of the mushroom and the shape. This one has more of a mustardy yellow tone and then also white. Really nice one as well. I also love the detail that they one to the right, one to the left, one to the right, one to the left, which is very interesting to me. This one I see pairing with many beads on my collection. Here is the side view of it. And the last one, which I feel is the one that is more compared to, you know, mushrooms that we see in real life, is this beauty. This is called mushrooms of strength. On this one, we see the mushroom has like a white background and cap, and then some mustard yellow, brown tone as well, and then the stem is white. I hope that I'm saying that right. Sorry, I'm not a mushroom expert, so sorry about that. There you go for the core. This is black as well. I think I saw on the Trollbeads, yes, I think it was on the Trollbeads Instagram page, that they said that mushrooms are flowers and they're only 5% of what we see from the mushroom itself. So that's so amazing. This one also has some green, like, you know, those flowers that we saw on the previous two, the other two that I mentioned before. So 3 of them, at least from the ones I got, had the green inside. And this one, as you can see, has more mushrooms, same as the mushrooms of vitality and the flexibility. Yes. So this is the entire kit. Gorgeous. It doesn't matter like how you arrange them, they always look so nice. Like, I will pair maybe these 3 together on a design. Look, hold on. They will look really nice on a design because they have sort of like same tones, and then maybe these 3 together. But of course, like, you can mix and match any way you please. So yeah, I'm just so excited. Love this. So you guys, that's it for this video today. I'm gonna be saying that I advise anyone who loves fall, who loves glass beads, to get this kit. It's so mesmerizing and unique. I think I also forgot to mention the name of it. Although I call it the Mushrooms Kit, it is the Treasures of the Forest Kit. Gorgeous treasures. Let me know if you decided to get anything from this new collection. I'm gonna admit to you guys that I skipped the Pandora bracelet promo in order to get these beauties, and I don't regret it a bit. This is so pretty. I also want to get the other faceted kit, as I mentioned. I love the green onyx, the talisman of protection bead, which is the cute what is it? The cute porcupine. It's so nice. Also, I would love to see if I can grab at least 1 or 2 of those happy faces bead that it's part of the limited edition kit that it's on the Halloween this year, right? So yeah, anyhow, if you enjoyed watching this video, please remember to give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I will really appreciate having you here. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Gracias.